another day in Latvia, and today we are going to see Turaida Castle. The castle was built in 1214 by Albert, Archbishop of Riga, and located in unique landscape on the opposite bank of the Gauja River in Sigulda. Once the glorious castle started to lose its strategic importance, and it was abandoned and gradually became ruinous. When we explore new places, we don't just see that place, but we discover its history, past, and learn from it. I really enjoyed this beautiful place. There was a lot to see, such as these Latvian pagan heritage sculptures, fortress, broken walls, some old armor and weapons, and this breathtaking, stunning landscape. We just loved it and did some monkey jumping around. It was a wonderful day. The day got even better after having this amazing traditional Latvian food.
And this just tastes good.
It's evident to try new food when you are exploring new places or the countries.
Let's go up.
This place is a perfect example of time and evolution of our world. How far we have come until this very day. Well, it's all matter of a time. Once hold valuable could become useless, but once hold glorious could remain history forever. And the history is dope. Until the next one, keep exploring. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because the next episode's gonna blow your mind and you don't wanna miss it. Just look at this, guys. I mean, this is the crossbow back in the time. Just look into the pierce, the point parts of the arrow. It's so thick. If it goes into someone, that person will die so easily. Another armor. Lots of things to see here, actually.